sucks when you have a parcel turn up at work and you can't even open it to see what it is. So I think I should go home right now and open it up. Okay, so now I'm at home, I've got my package, my box, whatever you want to call it, and let's check it out. See you on the other side. And here it is, this little rat looking thingy. So, no car shooting tutorial this week because you should still be out shooting, but with this, so hopefully you can hear me better now. Let's take this little dude off here. There's the actual microphone. Put this little guy on, and that keeps the wind out. So, just for today, let's see what happens with it. Let's put it on and see if it sounds any better. So I'm back. So hopefully you can hear me better now. I've got my little Rode microphone up the top there, and now you should be able to hear me better. Now I've got picked this one up from George's Cameras in Sydney. This is not a sponsored ad at all. They just had one for sale. They're in Sydney, I'm in Sydney. Why not? Yeah. Nothing much to it. Hopefully the sound is different, but we won't know until I get into the editing side of things and we'll have a good listen. Yeah, looks interesting up the top there anyway. We'll see how it goes when I go and shoot a car event later on today. With that note, subscribe, like, follow, share, watch, enjoy. Peace.